Hello everyone. So I want us all to nourish our systems with the right nutrients our system needs to boost collagen production for that youthful and ageless glowy looking skin. Because trust me, as you age, most especially from 25 and above, you start losing nutrients, your skin's elasticity drops, you no longer like your system no longer makes collagen like you were much younger, 16, 18. So you need nutrient dense foods or smoothies to nourish your system to boost collagen production for that ageless and youthful looking skin. Very yummy and loaded with all the nutrients you need to boost collagen production for that youthful, ageless looking skin. So let me not waste much of your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this goodness yourself at home. If you want to age but still look so vibrant and youthful, stick around and I'll show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. So voila! So in order to come up with our nutrient dense smoothie to boost collagen production for that youthful ageless glow to the skin, the first ingredient we'll be using will be mangoes. That is because mangoes contain most of all those nutrients you need to boost collagen production, like vitamin E. Mango contains vitamin A, vitamin C as well. All those nutrients help to repair your skin cells from damaging and equally boost collagen production so your skin can always look firm, not saggy, and always looking youthful. So what you need is one mango. You just need to get your mango washed thoroughly. The gloves I'm using is just for sanitation. You want to be clean with what you do as much as you can, most especially during this period. So I washed my mango thoroughly and I'm slicing into tiny little sizes that I can easily blend. Mangoes are so good. They are not just loaded with all the vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C. They equally contain a little bit of most of the minerals and nutrients you need for the proper functioning of your system. It will help to nourish your system with all the vitamins and minerals you need to look so healthy, fresh and glowy from within. So this is it. You want to slice into tiny little sizes that you can easily blend, and voila, this is my one mango thoroughly sliced into good little sizes. In order to fight aging, the best way you can do that is from within, like consuming foods that will help to fight the aging from within before secondarily even using topical age fighting treatments. You want to start from the inside. Yeah, so this is the first ingredient. The second ingredient I'll be adding in here will be watermelons. These are so good. As you age, you need hydration. Hydration and moisturization is key as you age. Hydration will leave you looking so fresh and plumpy, while if you're dehydrated, you look so dry and cranky and looking prematurely aged. So this watermelon is for hydration. What we need is, you divide your watermelon into 4 portions. You need 3/4 of your watermelon. Depending on the quantity, you can use just 1/4. No, sorry, you need 1/4 of your watermelon. So depending on the quantity you want, I really need a lot of it for hydration, most especially during this summer period. You know, all the sun, you need to be hydrated so you can have that fresh and beautiful looking skin. So this is the quantity of watermelon I'll be adding in here. You simply just need to get your watermelon sliced and wash and slice into tiny little sizes that you can easily blend. They are not just good for hydration, they are equally loaded with so many nutrients to nourish and give you that fresh and healthy looking skin from within as well. So this is it. Slice, and most importantly, watermelons are highly rich in vitamin A, which helps to protect your skin cells from damaging. Very important, because when your skin cells damage, you start experiencing flappiness to your skin. Those saggy early signs of aging on the skin is because your skin cells damage and you don't consume foods that can repair them for new cell regeneration, and watermelons are to help you with that. So you want to put your watermelons in your blender, and that is the first ingredient. I'm putting it first so it saves like water to blend all the other ingredients. The second ingredient, which is the powerhouse, will be berries. So you can use strawberry. If you have the different kinds of berries, that is fine. But if you have just strawberry, or if you don't have these berries, you can substitute with pineapple. But since I have my berries, I'll be using them because berries are one of the richest sources of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to fight free radical damage on the skin, causing premature aging. Free radical damage you get from the environment. As you see, my strawberries were in the freezer. They were frost-bitten and I just had to rinse with water to look fresh. As you rinse, after being frost-bitten, they just come back to life. So they are just like fresh berries. So you can store your fruits, but don't blend before storing. You can just buy, wash thoroughly and store in your refrigerator. But after you blend, you don't want to store for so long. So this are my berries. I'll be using a handful of berries. As I mentioned, if you don't have berries, you can use pineapples. They are equally good, as pineapples are highly rich in vitamin C, which is a form of antioxidant as well. So I am using this because of the antioxidant loaded in berries to fight free radical damage causing premature aging, dull skin and other skin issues. So that is it. I am putting in my ingredients in my blender, my berries, watermelon, mangoes. This is it in here. So I will not be adding in any water because the watermelons are like almost 98% water. So the water from the watermelon will blend all the ingredients for me. As you can see, no water added, but it is blending everything. This is like nutrient dense. Like this is what you need to fight that aging skin from within. It contains all the vitamins and minerals you need to boost collagen production for that youthful and ageless looking skin. It will leave your skin so hydrated, which is very important as you age. As I mentioned earlier, hydration is key, moisturization is key, and all these ingredients in here are loaded with vitamin E, which helps to moisturize and nourish the skin, the water in the watermelon for hydration, the vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A in the mangoes will help to boost collagen production. Like this combination is to fight aging and give you that ageless looking skin. So I want you all to join my lifestyle. As you notice, these are the kinds of drinks or smoothies I take to nourish my system to always look very youthful and agelessly glow while I grow old. So I feel so beautiful and confident. Like join me with this lifestyle so we can all age looking youthful as we age. I hope someone found this video helpful. This is so important. As I mentioned earlier, you want to start fighting aging from the inside. That is where you start. Whatever you put into your system is long lasting than topical treatments. Whatever your lifestyle influences how you look overall. So starting by fighting that aging from within, consuming nutrient-dense smoothies or foods like this to help you fight and boost collagen production for that youthfulness to your skin is key. You can do it alongside your anti-aging topical treatments, but trust me, the key is to start from the inside. So this is it. Very yummy. Share with your family and friends so we can stay ageless looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.